Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to crochet twisted headband. The pattern is very easy. It is great crochet project for beginners and also super quick make. They would make great last minute crochet gift. The headband is worked flat in back and forth rows and stitched together at the end. For crocheting this headband, we will need plush yarn. I will use Himalaya Dolphin Baby. You can use similar yarn in 120 meters, 100 grams. Also, you might need the thread, lighter, buttons, if you want to add some to your headband, tapestry needle, crochet hook 5 millimeters, and scissors. If you will not use buttons, so then you won't need thread. First, what we have to do, it is to crochet 9 chain. The width of this headband is 3 inches. You can make a wider headband by chaining more for your foundation chain. Crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And now you have to turn crocheting, and in the second row start half double crochet into the first space between the stitches in the previous row and across, and after that we will make 1 chain and 8 half double crochet in each row. Yarn over the hook and pull the wrapped hook through the center of the chain stitch, carrying the wrapped yarn through the stitch. Yarn over the hook and draw your yarn through all 3 loops on your hook. Continue crocheting in the same way until the end of this row. When you end this row, make 1 chain, turn the crocheting, and again you have to do 8 half double crochet until you reach the desired length. You have to repeat row number 2. So each row you have to start with 1 chain and after crochet 8 half double crochet, turn 1 chain, again turn crocheting, and again 8 half double crochet. To make the right size, you have to measure your head circumference, where your headband will be sitting, and you will need to make a headband 2 inches shorter than your head circumference, as the headband will stretch. But depending on your yarn and the type of stitch you're using, it will stretch differently. If it is possible, try it on when you get to about 17-19 inches for adults by wrapping it around your head. That way you will see how well it stretches, how many rows you still need to crochet, and the size will be most accurate. In my case, I will crochet 46 rows. Continue crocheting the length of the twisted headband by yourself. After you reach the desired length of your headband, fasten off and cut the yarn, leaving a long tail for sewing the ends together. And now we have to make the twist. For this I will use needle, and with long tails, what we left in the end of the crocheting, we will sew this detail together. Fold the parts in half and insert one into the other. We will have something similar like letter S. Now you have to sew all these parts together like I will show you in this video. Sew in all ends and turn it inside out. Finally, our crochet twisted headband is ready. I think that it is very interesting and stylish accessories, and it can be a really great gift for your family members or friends. I hope you enjoyed crocheting with me, and if you have any questions you can ask them in the comments below this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel and you will never miss new video. Have a good day. Bye bye.